I wanted to give an update offline, showing the screen as a capture instead of a separate video, so that you can see the resolution. This is what I was talking about with the binary view that really makes individual bit changes stand out. I was able to improve the performance of some of the other queries as well to perform as well as the digital, and now I'm actually able to get better performance and see more PIDs at the same time from the analog views than I was before. I'm now able to watch up to almost 50 at the same time without really having a big degradation in total system performance. It's kind of iffy as to whether there's a whole lot of value in seeing all these PIDs, but I think with certain types of data, if you're just looking, if you really don't know where anything is at all, then it might be more valuable to see a bunch at the same time. So I'm going to look at like 2 minutes, refreshing every 1 second. So that I can see a good amount of history, updating real time. This is I'm actually watching this, playing this back from last night, so it's pseudo real time. Actually, I guess I'm filtering out some buses. But I've also have 8-bit analog view. I'm really kind of liking this a lot more than the one yesterday or 2 days ago. And so anything, once this second row gets filled up, that's when it really starts to lose its benefit. If I were to load that digital one, it would actually probably crash InfluxDB. I also have the overlaid analog 16 and 8-bit. Not particularly useful with as many PIDs though. I guess I'll just throw a Hail Mary here. It's a lot of bits.